Affiliate Business System Review. Hello, welcome to this Affiliate Business System Review video. My name is Basi Moses, and in this video, I'm going to show you around so you can decide if this is a good fit for you or not. So, what is this all about? This is a business opportunity that teaches you how to make money online from the comfort of your home. If you are one of the persons out there who is looking for time freedom, who is looking for location freedom, you're looking for financial freedom, the money that you earn in your full-time job is not enough. This is one of the kind of a thing you can do on site to earn some extra money. And when I say extra money, the extra money you are earning with consistency, if you keep doing it consistently with the training that you get from Vic Stricehouse, who is a creator of this program, the part-time money that you'll be making from this business could in the future become something that is more than what you're earning from your full-time job. So it's just a matter of time. It's not an overnight get rich thing, but it's something that if you work on it, you build it with time, definitely you'll get to your destination. As you are looking at this website that you're looking at, this is the Affiliate Business System website, which is created. This particular one that I am right now, this is my website. Okay, so I'm going to make a review to talk about this product because I'm currently using this product, so I know what I'm talking about. I'm not just trying to look at some other videos out there and then try to create a video and talk about something that I don't know about. I'm talking about something that I know. I'm in it, I'm using this, I'm learning from this, and trust me, this is the best I have ever come across. So Vic Stricehouse is someone that has been around on the internet for about 19 years right now. He's a multi-millionaire doing just this. Okay, so one of his other product was the 4%, which he created, and the 4% came out with the concept that in the whole universe that we're living in, we have more than 8 billion people living in this world that we're living in. But out of that 8 billion people, only 4% are like financially free, are like can classify themselves as being rich or successful financially. So, and from that concept, he created the 4%. And for people, a lot of affiliates who came into the 4% based on the things that they learned from the 4% program, they made money from that program more than some other affiliates who were like using some other systems online to kind of like build a business. I'm not gonna say that there are no other good programs out there online. There are some good programs out there online, but there is a difference between the affiliate business system and some other programs, and I'm going to elaborate more on that. Now, the difference is this: with the affiliate business system, it's like a money hub. So what most affiliate marketers they do is that when they come online, they'll go out there, they go to places like Clickbank, like Commission Junction, like JVZoo, places like Warrior Plus. They get their affiliate links from various places like that. So they may be promoting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different products, and each of those links they'll be promoting them separately. Now, with the affiliate business system, what affiliate business system does is that they now created a money hub, like a money hub. So the money hub, the concept is that you have so many products inside of this one system. So at the end of the day, you are promoting just one link. And then as you're promoting one link, when the prospect opt into your capture page, so they will come across any other products that you have got inside this system. And with that, if they decide to purchase, to make a purchase, you earn money, you earn commission. It's that simple. Now, and this product that we're talking about inside the affiliate business system, these products are amazing products, great products. I'm going to show you some of the products. And it does not only stop there. Vic Streiser is currently at the moment working on creating even more products to bring them inside here. Now, looking at this website that you're looking at, now, if you click here, it says, do you want to make more money? Of course, almost from the 8 billion people we have in the whole world, everybody wants to make more money. Okay? So if the answer is yes, it says, show me how to make money. So if you click that, it brings you here. It says the secret affiliate system no one is talking about that's currently making me over $300,000 per month in commission on autopilot. And then you scroll down, you see a video of him talking and explaining everything and what the system is all about. Okay, it talks about the instant traffic secret. It talks about the secret to effortlessly earn multiple streams of commissions on autopilot without lifting a finger. It talks about the 7 biggest mistake affiliate marketers they make, okay, that ruins their business and make them to go broke, and so much and so much and so on. So, and then you scroll down, you got a guy there that gives a testimony of what this is all about. I mean, how Vic has helped him in the past to generate more income in his business. Okay, now I'm going to take you to so, and then now this is my account which I think I've logged in. No, these are the products. I want to show you the products. Yeah, so it talks about the courses. Okay, so we got 7 steps to freedom. Okay, 10K, how to make 10K per month. Okay, wave on autopilot. Okay, and much more. Now, if I click on this 7 steps to freedom, this is a product which this is about almost 14 or 15 hours of training. Okay, free training. Now, people come here, you can give this to someone and they can go through that. If you want this training, this free course is right under this video that you're watching right now. You can click on it and you get the 7 steps to freedom, and then go through the training, go through everything. If it makes sense, of course, I'm not gonna tell you what next to do. So you got the 7 steps there. Okay, and if I go back, click back, you also have this. Some of these courses have unlocked, they have been unlocked. Some of them, they are not unlocked. Okay, now why would you consider to do this kind of a business, and why did I in person consider to get myself involved with the affiliate business system? Number one, if you want to make money online and you want to make money really fast, selling those little $20 product, $7 product is not gonna make you rich. Okay, now the starting price is $500 for this business. Okay, and $500, if you were to rent a shop out there to do some business out there, I'm sure your monthly rent will be more than that. But this $500 is the one-time payment that you pay. And then, but like every other business that you run, there will be some monthly cost. Okay? Because this system is built on the eStage platform. So the eStage platform is what this website is hosted on. And as a business, of course, every business will have costs. So I'm not going to hide anything to you. So if you think that this business makes sense, go for it. If you think that you cannot afford it, don't even bother yourself. It's not for everybody. Okay? And so it's going to cost like $197 every month for the platform where the website is hosted. Apart from that, every other thing is just packed inside here. So, and this is not for someone who is looking for a get rich quick. This is for somebody who is looking for something that they want to build over a long term period. Okay. So, and if that is you, then you're in the right place. Okay. Because that is why I actually came in for this, to build this, to be consistent with this, to build it from now to the next 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, as long as this is still going to be around. So affiliate business system is some kind of thing I have been looking for a very long time, and coming in contact with it. When I found it, I did my due diligence. I checked on it. I reviewed. I checked and again. I checked and again. I checked and again. And the whole concept really made a whole lot of sense. So I decided, you know what, this is for me. So I'm going to show you some other stuff. So if I click on tool, okay, these are tools, and all of these tools, there are multiple streams of incomes that you and I, we've given the opportunity to make money from it. See, like Get Respond, okay? Get Respond pays 30%. Let's just say Get Response alone. Get Response alone pays 30% for every person that you refer to Get Respond. So I want to raise my calculator. I don't know if you can see my screen. Let's go on the calculator. So when you Get Respond is free to sign up for. The first 1,000 people that opt in to Get Respond. Then after the first 1,000 people, Get Respond charges $49. Okay, $49. So let's say one person signed up on your Get Respond for $49. So times 30%. Okay, let's just do some maths. So that's $14.70 you're earning from one referral that you bring in. Okay, so let's look at it on a long term. So give it, let's say 8 months, 1 year, or even 2 years from now, and you refer 200 people. We want to multiply that by 200. Okay, that's $2,900 only from the Get Respond program alone, because this is every month. Okay, so, and as long as you keep referring people to Get Respond, why people will keep Get Respond is because this is their business and they use this for building their business. This is their list. So, excuse me. Excuse me. So they use this for building their list. So if I scroll down, you have other streams of income. Okay, even the 4% itself. Okay, you got webinar, and this is free to sign up the webinar jam as an affiliate. Then you have your affiliate link in there. You got like TubeBuddy. Okay, he got